so tired today?
Because it's a long day. It's a long day.
Today is a long day.
Yeah.
Okay, so have you eaten today?
No.
Why?
Because we have no money.
Yes. So sad ya. Next time before we study, you have a lunch first ya, guys.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Miss. Okay. Before we start our lesson, is everybody's here today? Everybody's in this room?
No, man. Fauzan.
Fauzan, where is he? Holiday, okay. Before we start, Dustin, can you lead the prayer for us today?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, guys. Let's pray together. Finish.
Thank you, Dustin. Can you see the screen?
No.
You don't see this big screen?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Are you blind? Are you blind? No, yeah.
Sorry.
What material for today?
Tangent lines and type.
Circle. Okay. Today you're about to learn tangent lines and circle, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why no?
Why no? For today, the learning outcome is the students will be able to define a tangent line and identify it in diagrams of circle. The second one, understand that tangent and radius, which share a common point on the circumference of a circle, are perpendicular to each other. Third, can calculate length involving tangents from a point outside the circle using the Pythagorean theorem. And fourth, can calculate length involving two tangents from a point outside the circle using the two tangents theorem. So for today, you're gonna learn two theorem. The first one is a Pythagorean, and second one you learn about the two tangent theorem. Okay. Who's excited for today? Yeah. Ayo, bisa yuk. Gila. Who's excited for today?
Me.
Okay. Do you see what the shape is? Do you know what the shape is? If you don't know this shape, no. You have to know this shape, right? The shape is a circle, and the circle have a center point. We have a center point, and we name it the point P. And if we have a line that touches the circle at exactly one point, and this point, the red point, and we name it the point T. And do you know the name that line is called? No. Okay. This line is called a tangent line, and the point of tangent C. Okay, can you recall what's the definition of tangent line?
The line that touches the circle.
Okay, Nadia, go ahead.
Tangent line is the line that touches the circle.
At exactly?
At the point. At point of tangent.
Okay, or at exactly one point, right?
Yeah.
Okay, give applause to Nadia. Okay, next. If we have this illustration and then we construct the line, a new line from point P to the point T. Okay, what we call this line for the circle? Radius. Okay, good job, Dustin. So we name it the R line, and the R is a radius. Okay, the radius line that touches the tangent line created a new area. Do you see the green area?
Yes.
And this is an angle, right?
Yes.
Okay, and this angle, the kind of angle is right angle, and the measure of the angle is 90 degree. 90 degree. So we can get from this illustration that the radius line and tangent line is perpendicular. Okay. So, that we know from this illustration, the radius line that touches the tangent line is perpendicular, right?
Yes.
Okay. What if we move the radius line to another side from this circle and the tangent line too? Are the perpendicular relationship can be applied to?
Yeah.
Yes.
Maybe. Ma'am.
Maybe, okay. You can get the answer from this illustration. Okay, what happened? It's the same, right? Okay.
Yes.
So the perpendicular relationship between the radius of a circle and tangent line apply to every circle in any occasion. Okay, I have a question for you guys. Do you have any bicycle at home?
Yes.
No. Or maybe the motorcycle?
Yes.
Or maybe a car?
No.
Or maybe, or maybe
When?
you have a bus?
No.
Taxi? No.
No.
So that the transportation, the mobile transportation that we can see at the street, it can be application sample of tangent line to a circle. In this case, I have the boy that ride the bicycle. And when the wheels of a bicycle roll along the road line can be compared to a tangent to the wheel at each point. Okay? So if we see the wheels and the street that touches at exactly one point, it can be application sample of tangent line. All clear?
Yes.
Okay. We back to this illustration. From this illustration, if we create another line from point P to new point A, we name it as A. Do you see what shape it is?
Triangle.
Triangle.
A triangle, right?
Yes.
What kind of triangle?
Right.
Right? Right triangle. Good job with that. So we have a right triangle. So if we take out the right triangle, then we have a point A, point T, and point P. We have a triangle of triangle ATP, not APT, right? APT. Not triangle of APT, but ATP. So from this triangle, we can use a theorem that the theorem is Pythagorean theorem. So the equation is, if we want to find an AP line, the length of AP, so we can use a AP squared equals to AT squared plus TP squared. We're next to the second theorem. We have the two tangents theorem. We create another line, another tangent line to the bottom of the circle, and we created a radius line too. We get the area and angle area that perpendicular to tangent line, and we connect the point P to point A. Did you see the right triangle?
Yeah.
Yes.
But in this theorem, we have two, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We can use the theorem that the length of two tangents from a common external point to a circle are equal, which is we can get the AT equals AQ.
Yes.
Okay. Next, the two tangents will subtend equal angles at the center. So we get the angles APT equals angles APQ. Okay. So the next is the line that connects the exterior point to the center will divide the angle between the tangent into two equal angles. So we get the angles PAT equals to angles PAQ. Okay. Any question, guys? Okay. We jump into the solve example on tangent of a circle. Example 1. We have the figure given below. And if DC equals to 17 inches and BC equals to 11 inches, find the radius of a circle. So, we can take out the right triangle because the radius that touches the tangent line is perpendicular, right? Then we have a right angles. So we get the right triangle. Okay, the right triangle is CDA. But at this case, we know that length of CD is 14 and length of CA is addition from line CB plus BA, right?
Yeah.
So the CB is 11 or BC is 11 and the BA is R. So length of CA is 11 plus R. Okay. And length of DA is R. So we can use a Pythagorean theorem. Okay. The theorem is CA squared equals to CD squared plus DA squared. And then we substitute the value. The CA is 11 plus R, CD is 14, and DA is R. Then we multiply the 11 plus R on the left side of the equation. So we get the 121 plus 22R plus R squared. On the right side of the equation, we get the 14 squared plus R squared. Okay, we eliminate the R squared on the both side, right? Okay, so we get the 121 plus 20R plus equals to 14 squared. Okay, then we move the 121 on the right side. Then we get the 196 minus 121. Then we get the 75. Then we get the 22R equals to 75. Then the R value is 75 over 22. Okay? Do you have any question for this example? No. Next. Okay. For example 2, we use a two tangent theorem because from this case we get the two tangent, the line PA and line PB, right? So the line PA is x squared plus 10 and line PB is 46. Okay. We use the two tangent theorem. And from this problem, we have to find the value of x. So what length in PA? X squared plus 10 and PB? 46. And if we move the 10 to the right side, the x squared is equals to 46 minus 10. 46 minus 10 is 36. So if we have x squared equals to 36, the x will be the square root of 36. So the square root of 36 is 6. Okay. Do you have any question? No? Okay. Because you don't have any question, let's have a short quiz for make sure you have really understood the material. Okay, so open your own phone. Okay, please. Please open your quizzes at your phones. And then wait. Okay, let's go. Scan the barcode or joining with the code 018984.
Nasi.
Oh, you take so long ya guys. Are you done?
Yo. Yes.
Okay, let's start ya.
Ya, Padang asli Cirebon. Mantap.
Let's go. Ding. Are the question is hard?
Yes.
So the perimeter is keliling lingkaran. If you are a top 3, I have a gift for you guys. So keep going.
You know?
Yes, it's you of course.
Yes, right, baby. Tebak banget ini.
Who is nasi padang asli Cibaduyut? That's a long name. Are you using GPT?
No, using my brain.
Brandly kan? Are you done guys?
Yep. Yes.
Okay, we end.
Yay! Yes.
So
I know
the winner
that's the baby
is
from- P1 masih.
First, we give applause to us because we and this quiz. So the first place is who's got?
Me.
Okay, you got the candy.
Yeah. Oh my god. Maybe from another team, right? I know it. I'm ready for me.
Be silent, please. Be silent, please. Who's the second place?
I want to.
No.
I'm the second.
No, just one for.
I'm the second. I'm the second. I always be on the winner.
Oops, please lah. The candy is for you.
Ya ampun, from you.
Okay. Is that fun?
But the prize is no fun.
Is the quiz fun?
Yeah, just a little bit lah.
Just a little bit. But don't close your quizzes. It's okay, you can open it again at your home, but you have to write it down the answer step by step, and it's your assignment.
Okay.
Then you have to submit the assignment at the Google Classroom
Okay.
for next week. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. The material is. It's okay. That's back sound. That's back sound for me to closing the session. Okay. That's it for That's all for the material for today. You did a great job for today. Okay. Who's volunteer that you have to give a conclusion that what we've learned today?
Fauzan.
Oh, where's the Fauzan?
Already gone.
Abdullah, can you give the conclusion? What have we learned today? It's okay, it's okay. Tangent. Tangent line. What else? The
Perimeter.
no. No, Abdullah. Okay, next person is Aisyah. So the sini Nur Aisyah.
Lingkaran. Circle.
Circle.
Tangent.
A tangent line of a circle. We learned about two theorem. What is the theorem?
Pythagorean.
Pythagorean theorem and two tangent theorem. Vin, can you lead the prayer for us today?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, guys, let's pray together. Okay, finish.
Okay. Thank you guys for the attention. You're did great job for today. And see you on next week, next meeting, and bye-bye.